enforcement has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from North Point Lake, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 5:30 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 29 nautical miles from Newport, 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage.
Marine forecast.
The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Becoming northwest 5 to 10 knots late in the evening, then drifting west after midnight, lightning to 10 to 15 knots early in the morning.
If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Waves around 1 foot. Friday, west wind 5 to 10 knots becoming southwest.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Wilmette Harbor, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be briefly and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for the Chicago Metro.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Wilmette Harbor, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A marine weather statement has been issued for the following.
From the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service special marine warning issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Gary to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9:45 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles east of the Harrison Beaver, moving southeast at 20 knots.
Wind gusts 34 knots
or greater and small hail.
Radar indicated.
Source, radar indicated.
Small craft could be damaged
and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Locations impacted
include Michigan City, Burns Harbor, and Marina Shores at New Harbor.
safe harbor until
Move to
hazardous
safe
weather
harbor
passes.
until hazardous weather passes.
The Lake Michigan forecast
At 8
for
p.m. at Old Airport, it was partly cloudy.
water